Hello kids, and welcome to Musical Math. I'll put the guitar down and we're going to start on our first lesson, okay? So just give me a moment. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, if everybody could turn to page number 6, we're going to do the problem on the top, which is called value of a digit, okay? And it says the value of a digit depends on its place value position in the number. A place value chart can help you understand the value of each digit in a number. The value of each place is 10 times the value of the place to the right. Okay? That'll make more sense to you once we move on in the chapter a little bit. Excuse me one second, I just want to shut one thing down. Okay, now I'm going to take the camera over here to the place value chart that I've made for you, okay? And the number that we want to look at is 894,613. And we're going to find out what the value of the 9 is, okay? So if you look over here, here's the place value chart that I made for you, okay? And if you notice, it starts with ones, and then tens, hundreds, thousands is the next period. So you notice over here, this was the ones period. Here we have the thousands period. And remember, we learned that word period yesterday, okay? In the thousands period, we have a 4 in the 1000s place, which would mean 4,000, okay? And over here, we have a 9 in the 10,000s place. And we have an 8 in the hundreds thousands place. And if you look over here, we have millions also. That's another period, the millions period, but there's nothing there, okay? So now we want to figure out what the value of this 9 is. Like I told you before, over here, in the ones place, 3 means 3 ones. We also have 110, and 110 would equal 10. We also have 6 hundreds, which equals 600. Now we're going to go to the thousands period. Okay, notice each period is separated by a comma. Very important to remember that. Okay, we have 4 in the 1000s place, so that's equal to 4,000. The 9, the value we want to figure out, is in the tens of thousands place. Okay, so really it's 9 10,000s. So what you're doing is you're doing 9 times 10,000, and that would equal 90,000. Okay. And then if we look at the hundreds thousands, we have 800,000s, which is the same as 800,000. So in this problem, we wanted to figure out the value of the 9. Well, the 9 is in the thousands period. It's in the 10,000s place. So 9 times 10,000, 90,000. And if you remember below, I drew the symbols for you when we were using base 10 blocks. 1 is a little cube, or it could be a dot. A long is worth 10 ones, okay? And you could draw that as a line or a rectangle like I drew for you here. We have a flat, which would be a square. That's equal to 100, which is the same as 10 tens or 100 ones. So it would take 10 of these to equal this. It would take 100 of these to equal this. And then over here we have the big 3D cube, which is equal to 1,000. All right, and 1,000 is the same as 10 hundreds, 100 tens, or 1,000 ones. And that's just a basic introduction to how place value works. Okay, we're going to do more lessons coming up real soon, and use this material if you're stuck, and this can help you out with determining the value of digits in a place value chart. Okay?